Good morning. Eating donuts. Last night, Licky had a barbecue. I don't know if I said that. His friend bought the crap load of assorted donuts. Bomb. And then last night, Jenny made me like auntie. That was bomb. They came. I'm so tired. This is my breakfast. It's like almost 11. I have to go get my nursing bras from my dad's house because they're enormously sore. I gotta get my pump. We gotta get some medicine. I know I can't have medicine, but we're starting to get like a cough. It's just bad. That's why I don't want nobody coming to my house. But Licky over here keep trying to have barbecues and shit. I just Lysoled the crap out of my house. Roomba is currently cleaning. You singing to her? No, leave her passy out of her mouth. It's fine. Now, come on. And watch how you touch it.
Don't touch the cup. You're going to get her stinging. Her eyes were open. Her is tired.
No.
Look at my new Barbie eyes got. Like I can change.
She had this Barbie for a while. It's just Licky finally let her open a toy. This is what she chose.
It's so cool.
Yeah. So cute. Yeah, watch out her eye.
Her nice curl.
Yeah.
Her tail can change color. I look at her beautiful shiny.
I was FaceTiming my mom. And I don't know why my phone is always dead sometimes, so it died. Getting our Starbucks fix. I know Ari's in the front, but I wanted to sit by Lily.
Go, that's right.
Licky told her to order her own vanilla bean.
Go ask for it. You want it? What is she? Cup holders?
No.
No.
Everybody can hold their own drink. The girls got cup holders in their stuff. You just do it. You just do it, Licky. I don't need. You put the straws in the drinks. You're just gonna make rubbish. Get your foot down before I kick you. Get down.
Or are you gonna get water?
Everybody got drink and a cake pop except for Lily. Sorry, Lily.
You know what?
Why? We went to my dad's house to get some stuff, but now we gotta go back again. Oh, he's a little baby. Her face looks so dry. It's all breast milk. Well, she better stop crying or she's not gonna get cake pop. Yeah?
I wake up.
What did Daddy get? Is that yours? Licky got 5 shot espresso. I got a vanilla bean with avocado shot, and the girls got vanilla beans. And we all got a cake pop. Cake pop. Yeah? Oh. We need a bigger heart. Cake pop. Everybody got their drink. And they gave us cookie dough. So we ended up with Licky. We ended up with 5 cake pops because they kept giving us cookie dough, so I kept trading it. But Lily, you got your own cake pop. They gave us. There's one. They gave that one cleaning out our kitchen cabinets because old smell. Leah, what are you doing? Fixing. Looks like you're gonna break it. Good job. You're so smart. Such a smart kid. Good job. I've been failing at vlogging. Oh, Leah's crying because she wants to hold Lily, but Erze just got her. They got to hold her this morning for the first time. She's throwing a fit because she wants to hold. They keep her covered so she stays warm. Yeah, she is cute. We got Leah now after crying all over my couch. Keep her covered, okay? She gotta stay warm. You love her? Don't touch her face. Goodness gracious. She cried the whole time. Yes, good. I don't want nobody here. Draw her face.